The automotive world is full of good mechanics, but also plenty who take advantage of drivers who don't know any better, and the truth is, many of these scams have been around for decades, and they still mislead millions of drivers every single year today. I'm breaking down 13 automotive scams still misleading drivers worldwide, how they work, why they're so effective, and how you can avoid getting ripped off. Scam number 1, the fake urgent repair pressure tactic. Some mechanics say, your car is dangerous. You can't drive it until we fix this. Most of the time, it's fear marketing. Always ask for photos, videos, and the old part. If they can't prove it, it's probably not urgent. Scam number 2, the dirty air filter trick. Shops sometimes show you a dirty filter, but it isn't even yours. Check it yourself. Opening the airbox takes 10 seconds, and you'll know the truth instantly. Scam number 3, overpriced cabin filter replacement. A cabin filter that costs $6, $10 online is sold for $60, $120 at shops. Most cars let you swap it out in under 3 minutes. Don't pay for something you can do for free. Scam number 4, fake fuel injector cleaning. Mechanics love selling injector flush packages, but modern injectors rarely need cleaning unless your engine is misfiring. If the car runs smoothly, it's probably upsell trash. Scam number 5, the coolant flush scam. Some places recommend a coolant flush every oil change. Insane. Coolant lasts 5 to 10 years depending on the type. Ask for a freeze point test to see if you actually need it. Scam number 6, your brakes are almost gone. A classic scare tactic. They claim your brakes are about to fail, but your pads still have thousands of kilometers left. Ask for exact pad thickness, rotor measurements, photos of your brakes. No proof equals no repair. Scam number 7, the high-pressure transmission flush. Dealerships push a power flush, but high pressure can damage older transmissions. Manufacturers recommend a simple drain and fill, not a flush. Scam number 8, expensive diagnostic fee for OBD to scan. They charge $80, $120 to plug in a cheap OBD2 scanner worth $20. A real diagnostic includes live data checks, wiring inspections, component testing. If they can't explain what they tested, don't pay. Scam number 9, the free inspection scam. Free inspection is usually bait. Once you're inside, they create a list of critical failures that don't actually exist. This scam is designed to pressure you into repairs. Scam number 10, the synthetic oil upsell. You ask for basic oil, they charge you for full synthetic, but might still use the cheap stuff. Always watch the oil bottle, the service sticker, the invoice. Trust but verify. Scam number 11, rotors must be replaced even when they don't. They tell you resurfacing is impossible. Not true if thickness is within spec. Resurfacing is cheaper and totally safe. Scam number 12, lifetime warranty parts. Lifetime warranty sounds great until you realize the parts are low quality and the labor isn't included. You pay labor every single time the part fails, which is often. Scam number 13, charging for a simple light reset. Some shops charge $30, $60 to reset a maintenance light, but in most cars, resetting takes 10 to 20 seconds. You can usually do it using just the steering wheel buttons. These scams are still misleading millions of drivers, but now you're no longer one of them. Tell me in the comments, which scam have you seen before? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and protect your car and your wallet.